Week 17, ninth class. Civilization. Nagarikata. Environmental changes threatens our civilization. Environmental changes threatens our civilization. Antithetical. Viruddhamaina. Light is antithetical to darkness. Third one, demonstrate. Pradarshinchu. Children demonstrated their experiments in the science fair. Sterile. People were made creatively and emotionally sterile. Passive. Lobadina. The old people remain passive due to their old age. Day 2, cosmic. Vishwarupam. Our planets are the examples for cosmic bodies. Elegy. Gambiramaina. In Memoriam is one of the best elegies in English literature. Psalm. Pata. Children practiced 2 psalms for the program. ఇక్కడ P and L silent. Psalms అని చెప్పాలి దాన్ని. Conflict. సంఘర్షణ. Children get many conflicts among themselves. Revenge. Paga. We can live happily if we don't have revenge on others. Day 3. Aggressive. Dookudu. Young children become aggressive quickly. Retaliate. Pratikaram. We shouldn't retaliate for other mistakes. Torture. Chikkulugala. Climbing mountains involve torturous route. Convince. ఒప్పించు. Students convinced headmaster to give permission to play games. Widen. విశాలపరచు. లేదా విశాలత్వము. విశాలత్వము. The purpose of education is to widen our thinking ability. Day 4. Lengthen. పొడిగించు. Exercise helps us in lengthening our lifespan. Alliance. సంబంధం. We need to strengthen our alliances to lead the society. Abide. కట్టుబడి. If we abide by the rules, there won't be any problems. Audacious. సాహసోపేతమైన. సాహసోపేతమైన. The government has taken an audacious decision. The government has taken an audacious decision. డెసిషన్ వరకు రాయండి చాలు. డిస్పైర్, డిస్పైర్ నిరాశ. We should always keep trying without despair. We should always keep trying without despair. Day 5. Ambiguity, ambiguity సందిగ్ధత, సందిగ్ధత. Teenagers show ambiguity in taking a decision. Teenagers show ambiguity in taking decision. Eternal, eternal శాశ్వతమైన. Mother's love is eternal. Mother's love is eternal. Confront, confront ఎదుర్కొను. Students confront many problems in their life. Influence పరాభవము, influence పరాభవము. Parents' habits influence their children's habits. Parents' habits influence their children's habits. Cynical, cynical విరక్తికరమైన, విరక్తికరమైన. Our uncle had become cynical during his last days. Our uncle had become cynical during these last days.